every time I watch a movie or a podcast, it's hard for me because I have a hearing problem. When I'm watching, I set up the volume to maximum so that I can hear. That's why if I use a rhythmic learning, I'd barely recall it due to my hearing problem. Before, I enjoyed reading books, especially romance novels. But now, I can focus because of my eyes. When I read for a long period of time, my eyes will get hurt or malibat ko kadukayan. Explaining through gestures is really frustrating. Magkabuang nag-explain, di gihapon makasabot ang yung explainan. That's why watching class explanations or using images helps me to understand easily because of pictures and maong makatagaan or makabalo din ka sa lesson. Besides basic science pa lang na maka-idea din ko kung sa'yo kasabot.
A few moments later.